What's going on, good people? So today we're going to install, I got a zero gravity windscreen. This is the Corsa windscreen, so it's a little bit taller than the stock. And also I'm going to be installing a USB. This USB you can get from the factory. This is the part number. Let's see if we can get that. So you can order this. I ordered this from af1.com. It's a website for like specializing in Aprilia, Motor Guzzi. But yeah, this is the part, and it's for RSV4. It's also for Coronas. But let me show you what's in here. You order this, you get the kit, which that is just a rubber, like that's a washer. This is a screw and the nut. This here is the actual USB. It actually plugs in right on the bike directly. This is like a bracket. This is a soft bracket. And this is the this is the mounting for it, but everything comes as a set if you order directly off the site. Okay, so it goes right here, this spot right here. Okay, so I've already taken off the windscreen, as you can see, and I just have to remove this cover. That is how you get to the wiring. So we're going to take these off, and it should be pretty simple. Take these two bolts off. See if I don't have to take this last one off. There we go. Put that right there. And so this is what we got. Now the plug that I need should be tucked up under here. Okay, probably better for you to just go ahead and pull these wires out the way, because you don't want to pull on nothing that you don't need, end up pulling the wrong thing out the way. But it is right here. See if I can get these out the way. This one just ain't gonna cooperate at all. And you gotta kind of fish it out. This should be it. And you know this is it because it says on here USB. This USB is what you're gonna need. It has a dust cover and it's not connected to anything. It's kind of just pushed in there. So this is what we need. So what I need to do is fish this down, get it connected, and get all these other wires pushed in and out of the way. But I think I'm gonna get it connected first before I move all this out the way. These go right here, right in the front. So put this back. You don't want to misplace anything, so you're gonna put everything back nice and neat where it came from. Just like that. Okay. Now we're gonna hook this wire up. Okay, here's the parts again, the parts list that you're gonna get with the kit. The bracket, just in case it wasn't clear. You got the bracket. You got the mounting support right here. You get a screw, you get a washer, you get a nut, and you get the actual USB. So we're gonna put this together. When the USB is put together, this is gonna look like. Okay. So we're gonna take this nut and place this over here. And I kind of test fitted it already, so I know kind of where everything goes. See, this nut slides up in here. Let me see if I can hold this right. That nut goes right there. And what I'm going to do is put the USB right on here like this. And then I'm gonna put my wire up underneath, and I'll be good to go. So sit right here like that. So we're gonna hook this up now. Okay, before you put this back, you got this nut in, or you want to feed the wire back here first. So I'll fit my wire so I can grab it on the other side, and I'm gonna put this back in right there. Alrighty, just kind of snug a little bit. We don't want to tighten it up all the way. And then if you come around, okay, this is the wire I gotta hook up. Let's see, we got plenty of slack. So now we're gonna hook this up. We're gonna remove that dust color. And we have it right here. I'm gonna push all these wires back here. Push these back down. You don't want anything binding, so be careful when you're putting these wires back in. Making sure that nothing is binding. It's a pretty tight fit, but everything fits properly. Just don't want any kinks in any of the wiring. And the wiring feels pretty sturdy, so you should be good. And remember, there's a cover that goes in here, so everything has to be good. Okay, I'm gonna need 2 hands, so we're gonna pause this video. Okay, we have to go back and just do a little correction here, because you don't want the, grab the light here, you don't want this wire on the wrong side. So I brought it up underneath, so it's right here. So now all these wires can be pushed in. Okay, so just make sure of that. That wire pushes in effortlessly, so there's plenty of space. But this is my USB cable I'm using, and if you push it back here, yep, there's enough room. So we're gonna do this again and push these down out the way. The main one is this big thick one. And remember, these are your wiring. This is the wiring for the TFT. So you make sure it's not ripped or anything. I'll put this one back. Everything nice and neat. Then we're gonna put our cover on. Put that cover back on. Fix the little tab very quick. We want everything to go back perfect. Like I said, this is your TFT. So you want everything perfect. You don't want to be flopping around or nothing, bouncing up and down. You don't want that. sure it's not that much torque that required. So here we go. You just want the perfect. Take it on, take it off the same way. Don't want it moving no more than that. It's very tight. And look here, and everything is clean, back the way I found it. So now we're gonna put on the windscreen. And there's two. Take this plastic off. And there's two little screws or tabs that line up. So we're gonna put those on first before we put in the screws. Alright, so we got the windscreen on. Okay, now we gotta check the USB to make sure it works. And I don't know if we have to have the key on or not, so we're just gonna turn the key on. And we're gonna plug, this is my MP3 player in. Plug this in. Like so. And make sure we got it. And voila. So it shows that it's charging. That's the battery. It's charging. Don't know if it charges with the key off, but we'll take it off and see. So no, it doesn't charge with it on. Let's see, what about it in park? I think I have to lock it, and I might not be able to. Yeah, I'm not able to check that, but at least with it on, it charges. See that battery. So this is what it looks like. And it off. Sits right up there like it's just part of the bike. Nice clean installation. It is a factory installation, so it's nice and clean setup. So thanks for watching, guys. More content's coming soon. As soon as the weather breaks here, another couple weeks maybe, we have some more content for you. Thanks for viewing.